Ugh. Oh. Chicken. Barbecue bacon. Hi. Quandale Dingle here. Welcome to Trucks Up, by the way. If any of you haven't turned off by now. Yay, Asda! Tesco better, screw you. Okay, I've not seen a truck like that since 1942, approximately. Oh yeah, in all but 2 videos we haven't caught an MSC. We nearly bottled it last video, but we're saved by the fucking dollar. What the hell? Oh, there's that other one, by the way. Oh my god, it literally is. Oh yeah, Perfect Shadow 09 is here. Want to say something to the viewers?
Fuck you.
That's a turn off. I love you. He doesn't. I love you, you love me, we're a happy family. Stop like balls, kiss me with a knife, I will take your life. What? The hell? Alright, in a minute.
Oh my fuck.
Okay. Okay. I said K. I said K twice. But if I said that the 3rd time, we would not be okay. There you go. There is your yellow. it ran over the thing. It just launched onto the road. Not the MSC. The one that we love seeing. Well, I love seeing because I've seen it in all but 2 videos, and it's just cool to keep the streak going. Yay! He got him. He never truly dies in our hearts. And then, what?
Put this one on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, this one.
How many of these?
Yeah, just get a clip of this.
Yeah.
Just have it as in like number 1. Like number 1 died.
Whoa. There's an army of them. In a bit.
I choose you. Shit.
What? Yeah, he's fine. Alright, is that it? Nope, of course it isn't. No! Stop appearing. Trucks. I need to go home and kiss the dog goodnight. And now that's the last one. Bye.